In an era of rapid scientific advancement and exploration, the cosmos continues to captivate our imaginations and fuel our quest for knowledge. This week, the Astronomy Picture of the Day APOD showcases a stunning view of two open star clusters M35 and NGC 2158 nestled within the constellation Gemini. Captured by Evan using the LATTE, lunar SAA telescope, this image highlights the contrast between the youthful M35, a mere 2,800 light-years away and brimming with bright blue stars, and the more ancient NGC 2158, which is approximately 4 times further and exhibits a denser concentration of yellowish stars. As professional astronomers explain, these clusters serve as a testament to the dynamic processes of star formation and the eventual dispersion of star clusters over billions of years as they orbit the Milky Way. While the stars above inspire awe, significant developments are also taking place closer to home. NASA has recently embarked on a groundbreaking mission with the launch of the SPHEREx observatory, designed to map over 450 million galaxies and investigate the origins of water and organic materials in our Milky Way. Scheduled to launch from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California, this mission promises to provide unprecedented insights into the universe's evolution and the cosmic events following the Big Bang. Principal investigator of the mission expressed optimism, stating, "The resulting 3D map could unlock answers about galaxy formation and the fundamental questions about our existence." Alongside NASA's ambitious endeavors, the private sector is also making strides in enhancing life in the cosmos. Renowned chef Jose Andres' company is collaborating with NASA to develop innovative food solutions for astronauts. As space travel becomes increasingly commonplace, the ability to prepare nutritious meals in zero gravity is crucial to the success of long-duration missions. Andres' vision of making space food both satisfying and healthy aligns with NASA's goals of supporting astronaut well-being during their time away from Earth. In a notable intersection of science and public health, the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) recently faced scrutiny over the cancellation of an important meeting regarding next season's flu vaccine. Amid a particularly severe flu season, concerns have been raised about the potential implications for public health, especially as vaccine accessibility remains a critical issue. The cancellation has drawn criticism from experts who worry about the regulatory process under the current administration, suggesting that it could hinder efforts to prevent the resurgence of vaccine-preventable diseases. As the day unfolds, the implications of these developments resonate far beyond the confines of laboratories and observatories. The interplay between government policy, scientific innovation, and public health will shape our approach to future challenges. With the cosmos beckoning and the complexities of Earth ever present, the coming days will undoubtedly reveal further advancements in our understanding of both the universe and our place within it. As we continue to explore the stars, our journey is only just beginning, and the future holds endless possibilities for discovery and understanding. NASA's ongoing collaboration with private industry continues to redefine the boundaries of space exploration and research. As the agency prepares for the upcoming Crew 10 mission, it also reflects on the significant contributions of the current Crew 9 team, who have been conducting critical scientific experiments aboard the International Space Station (ISS). On March 4, 2025, NASA astronauts Nick Hague, Suni Williams, and Butch Wilmore, alongside Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexander Gorbanov, will participate in a news conference at 11:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time from the ISS. This event will provide insights into their experiences and findings during their mission, which has included a diverse array of scientific work. Crew 9 has engaged in over 300 experiments, ranging from swabbing the ISS's exterior to study microbial life to pioneering 3D printing of medical devices and examining how various environmental factors influence plant growth and microgravity. The results of our experiments here will help shape future missions and enhance our understanding of life sciences, Williams remarked, emphasizing the mission's importance. As Crew 9 prepares for their return, they will execute a handover with Crew 10, ensuring that knowledge gained during their time aboard the station is passed on. This transition is crucial, as it enhances operational continuity and supports ongoing research. The mission team is currently monitoring weather conditions at splashdown sites off the coast of Florida, ensuring a safe return for the Crew 9 astronauts after their departure, which will follow the arrival of Crew 10. Scheduled for launch on March 12, 2025, Crew 10 consists of astronauts in McLean and Nicole Ayres from NASA, Takuya Onishi from JAXA Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and Kirill Peskov from Roscosmos. They will embark on a mission that will last several months, during which they will conduct experiments, spacewalks, and maintenance of the ISS. McLean noted, "Our time in quarantine is critical for safeguarding the health of the crew and ensuring we are ready to dive into our research upon arrival." The Crew 10 astronauts entered pre-flight quarantine on February 26, isolating themselves to prevent illness before their launch. This protocol is a standard procedure in space missions, reflecting the rigorous planning that underpins human spaceflight. Once at the Kennedy Space Center, the team will finalize preparations for their mission, set against the backdrop of NASA's Commercial Crew Program, which has successfully partnered with private companies like SPHEREx to facilitate crewed missions to the ISS. As the agency continues to leverage commercial partnerships, the ISS remains a vital platform for scientific exploration and technological development. With Crew 9's imminent return and Crew 10's upcoming launch, NASA is poised to maintain its momentum in advancing human presence in space while laying the groundwork for future explorations, including missions to the Moon and Mars under the Artemis program. Looking ahead, the successful handover between the two crews and the continued focus on scientific research aboard the ISS underscore NASA's commitment to not only advancing space exploration but also fostering international collaboration in the pursuit of knowledge that benefits humanity as a whole. The coming weeks promise to be a pivotal time for both the current and incoming crews as they contribute to this ongoing legacy of discovery. NASA astronaut Don Pettit recently captured a stunning image of the Milky Way galaxy visible just beyond Earth's horizon, a breathtaking moment that showcases the beauty and fragility of our planet from a unique vantage point. Pettit, currently part of the Expedition 72 crew aboard the International Space Station ISS, utilized advanced photography equipment including a Nikon Z9 and a Sigma 70-500mm lens to create this awe-inspiring shot while orbiting approximately 265 miles above the Pacific Ocean. Just before sunrise, his skillful use of low-light and long-duration settings allowed him to capture the interplay of light and shadow, revealing the intricate details of our galaxy against the backdrop of Earth's atmosphere. In his role aboard the ISS, Pettit is not only focusing on photography but also engaging in vital scientific research alongside fellow astronauts Suni Williams, Butch Wilmore, and Nick Hague. This team is contributing to a variety of experiments aimed at enhancing human life both on Earth and in space. As NASA web editor Monica Luabia noted, their research encompasses areas like pharmaceutical manufacturing, advanced life support systems, and genetic sequencing and microgravity, demonstrating the multifaceted contributions of astronauts in understanding and improving life beyond our planet. Simultaneously, the ISS is set to welcome NASA's SpaceX Crew 9, which includes Hague, Williams, and Wilmore. This crew will soon hold a news conference to discuss their mission and upcoming return to Earth, having contributed to numerous scientific experiments during their time in orbit. Their mission is part of NASA's Commercial Crew Program, which aims to ensure reliable access to space and facilitate research that supports future endeavors beyond low Earth orbit. The crew's return will be meticulously planned, taking into consideration weather conditions at splashdown sites off the coast of Florida. As the discussions surrounding the space program continue, another prominent figure, former NASA astronaut Ronald Guerin, has sparked conversations on a more philosophical level. Guerin reflects on his time in space, which led him to a profound realization about humanity's priorities. He describes a light bulb moment during his missions that highlighted the disconnection between our economic systems and the health of our planet. He argues that humanity is living a lie by prioritizing the economy over environmental sustainability, urging a radical shift in perspective where the planet should come first, followed by society, with the economy serving as a supporting element. Guerin's insights resonate amid growing calls for environmental reform, emphasizing that the future of humanity hinges on acknowledging our shared responsibility for Earth's fragile ecosystem. His reflections serve as a powerful reminder of the urgent need to rethink our approach towards sustainability and the interconnectedness of our global challenges. As we look forward to the continued collaboration of astronauts like Pettit and Garan, their contributions remind us of the profound impact that space exploration has not only on scientific advancement but also on our understanding of our own existence. The images captured from orbit and the philosophical reflections from those who have ventured into space challenge us to consider our priorities as we navigate the complexities of life on Earth. The future of humanity may well depend on our ability to heed these lessons and forge a path that prioritizes the health of our planet above all else. In a significant development for lunar exploration, NASA has announced a postponement in the proposal submission date for the Artemis IV deployed instruments program, now set for February 28, 2025. This amendment, part of the ongoing research opportunities in space and Earth sciences ROSES 2024, reflects the agency's commitment to fostering innovation in lunar science as it prepares for its upcoming crewed missions to the Moon. Originally unveiled in November 2024, the Artemis IV program invites proposals for instruments to be deployed during the second crewed lunar landing at the South Pole. The delay in the Step 2 proposal submission allows researchers and institutions additional time to refine their ideas and enhance the scientific capabilities of instruments that could unlock new insights into lunar geology and resources. As NASA continues to lay the groundwork for sustainable lunar exploration, the agency emphasizes the importance of robust scientific instrumentation that could support future missions. Meanwhile, NASA's Lunar Trailblazer mission is gearing up to embark on a journey that promises to illuminate the Moon's water presence. Scheduled to launch no earlier than February 26, 2025 aboard a SPHEREx Falcon 9 rocket. This small satellite is poised to tackle the critical question of water distribution on the lunar surface. Once in orbit, Lunar Trailblazer will produce high-resolution maps detailing where water exists, its forms, and how these change over time. The mission employs two sophisticated instruments, the High-Resolution Volatiles and Minerals Moon Mapper HVM3 and the Lunar Thermal Mapper LTM. Together they will provide a comprehensive picture of the Moon's water distribution and thermal properties. This mission will significantly advance our understanding of the Moon's water cycles and their implications for future human and robotic exploration, stated a NASA spokesperson. In a related stride towards aviation innovation, NASA's X-59 supersonic aircraft has successfully completed its electromagnetic testing, a crucial step in verifying that its systems can operate safely alongside other aircraft without interference. Located at the U.S. Air Force Plant 42 in Palmdale, California, the X-59 underwent rigorous assessments to ensure its avionics, navigation, and other critical systems function properly in various scenarios. Reaching this phase shows that the aircraft integration is advancing, remarked Johan Lind, NASA's X-59 avionics lead. This progress is vital as the X-59 aims to demonstrate quiet supersonic flight, potentially revolutionizing air travel. As these projects unfold, they not only highlight NASA's ambitious plans for lunar exploration and aviation innovation but also underscore the agency's broader objective of fostering scientific advancement through collaboration with academic institutions and private industry. The insights gained from missions like Lunar Trailblazer and the X-59 could pave the way for future human exploration and sustainable practices on the Moon and beyond. Looking ahead, the implications of these developments are profound. As NASA continues to explore the Moon's water resources and refine supersonic flight technology, the agency is poised to shape the future of space exploration and aeronautics, potentially setting the stage for a new era of scientific discovery and technological advancement. NASA's Mars rover Curiosity has embarked on an exciting phase of exploration, focusing its efforts in a small canyon that promises new geological insights. Over the course of its recent operations from Sols 4466 to 4468, the rover captured stunning images utilizing its Mars hand lens imager MALI, highlighting the intricate textures of the Martian landscape. The image is a composite of multiple shots taken on February 25, 2025, reveal the diverse geological features of the area. which planetary geologist Suzanne Schwenzer describes as a testament to the observational nature of geoscience on both Mars and Earth. The newly acquired images are not just visually captivating, they are critical for understanding the environmental history of Mars. Schwenzer notes that sedimentologists will analyze these images in conjunction with similar data gathered along Curiosity's recent path to reconstruct past geological processes. Was it water or wind that laid down those rocks, and what happened next? She asks, emphasizing the importance of determining the origins of these formations. The textures observed may indicate interactions between water and rock after their initial deposition, hinting at a more complex history of the Martian surface than previously understood. Curiosity's ongoing mission includes utilizing its various instruments to gather chemical data from the rocks it encounters. During this recent phase, the rover focused on a bedrock target named Tripit Ranch, while its ChemCam instrument examined a grayish vein dubbed San Isidro Trail. The dual analysis of the surrounding rock and alteration features allows scientists to differentiate which chemical components have been altered due to water exposure, providing deeper insights into Mars' hydrological history. As Curiosity navigates through intriguing terrain, the rover is expected to yield a wealth of scientific data in the coming weeks. The drive into the small canyon, flanked by walls rich in geological structures, presents a unique opportunity for researchers to read the rock record like a history book. The upcoming downlinks are highly anticipated as they promise to further illuminate the geological complexities of Mount Sharp and its surroundings. In a broader context, this exploration aligns with NASA's ambitious goals for human spaceflight and exploration. The recent statements from the Space and Aeronautics Subcommittee underscore a renewed commitment to lunar and Martian missions. Chairman Mike Haridopoulos emphasized the necessity of the Artemis program in maintaining U.S. leadership in space exploration, highlighting the race to the moon and the eventual goal of sending humans to Mars. "Every step we take towards the moon is a giant leap towards Mars," he stated, reinforcing the strategic importance of lunar missions as a proving ground for future Mars exploration. As Curiosity continues its journey on the Martian surface, the insights gained from its observations will not only enhance our understanding of the red planet but will also play a crucial role in shaping the technologies and strategies needed for the human exploration of Mars. The coming weeks are set to be pivotal, as scientists eagerly await new data that may uncover the secrets of Mars' past and inform humanity's next great leap into the cosmos. In a significant step forward for lunar exploration, NASA is poised to launch its fourth mission under the Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) initiative, bringing cutting-edge science and technology to the Moon's south pole. Slated for launch no earlier than February 25, 2025, the Intuitive Machines IM-2 mission will carry a suite of NASA instruments designed to gather crucial data about the lunar environment and assess resource potential, thereby enhancing future missions as part of the broader Artemis campaign. The CLPS initiative aims to leverage the capabilities of American commercial companies to deliver scientific payloads to various lunar locales, fostering a burgeoning lunar economy. These rapid, cost-effective commercial lunar missions, at a cadence of about 2 per year, improve our understanding of the lunar environment in advance of future crewed missions, said a NASA spokesperson. To date, there have been 3 successful CLPS launches, each contributing valuable data, albeit with varying degrees of success. For instance, Astrobotic's Peregrine Mission 1 was unable to land, while Intuitive Machines IM-1 mission landed but experienced operational difficulties. The upcoming IM-2 mission is particularly noteworthy as it targets Mons Mouton, a lunar plateau situated just 5 degrees from the Moon's south pole, the closest any mission has ventured to this region. The Nova C lander, named Athena, will carry 3 essential NASA instruments: the Polar Resources Ice Mining Experiment 1'1 Suite and the Laser Retroreflector Array (LRA). The Prime 1 suite, consisting of the Trident drill and the M-SOLO mass spectrometer, aims to excavate and analyze lunar regolith. The Trident drill, engineered to penetrate up to 3 feet beneath the lunar surface, will provide critical insights into soil temperature and composition, aiding in the verification of existing thermal models used for ice stability calculations, key factors in resource mapping. This kind of data is crucial for future infrastructure objectives on the Moon, noted a representative from Honeybee Robotics, which developed the Trident drill. Meanwhile, the M-SOLO instrument will identify and quantify volatiles including water and oxygen that may exist within the drill's reach, enhancing our understanding of the lunar environment and the potential for in-situ resource utilization. Studying the volatile gases can provide vital insights into how our activities on the Moon might impact its local environment, explained an Inficon representative. The LRA, composed of 8 retroreflectors, will serve as a permanent location marker on the lunar surface, facilitating precision laser ranging and future navigational efforts. These instruments not only gather data but also lay the groundwork for long-term lunar exploration, said a NASA official. In addition to the scientific payloads, the IM-2 mission will feature 2 technology demonstrations developed through NASA's Tipping Point opportunity. One of these is a small hopping robot named Grace, designed to enhance surface exploration capabilities by navigating challenging terrains. Additionally, Nokia will test a lunar surface communication system adapted from terrestrial cellular technology to demonstrate communication capabilities between the lander and other lunar assets. As NASA gears up for this crucial mission, it is also facing increasing pressure to accelerate its decision-making processes to remain competitive against global adversaries, particularly as geopolitical dynamics shift. Experts have emphasized the need for NASA to adopt faster decision-making approaches akin to those in the commercial sector. The next NASA administrator needs to quickly assess what is required to fulfill the White House's ambitious space goals, suggested Scott Pace, former head of the National Space Council. The IM-2 mission is not just a step toward lunar exploration, it represents a strategic move in the broader context of international space competition. With a total of 13 American companies participating in the CLPS initiative, NASA is poised to advance its long-term exploration goals, paving the way for human missions to the Moon and eventually to Mars. As these developments unfold, the coming weeks will be pivotal for the future of lunar exploration, with the IM-2 mission set to provide foundational data that could shape humanity's next steps on the Moon and beyond.